What did you find, Sophia?
Guitar pick.
So, show me what it looks like. Wow, that is pretty cool. You gonna learn to play the guitar, or are you gonna play with Dad?
I'm gonna do the ukulele.
All right. So we found the Johnny Cash Museum. We're deciding on whether or not we're gonna go in. I'm gonna take a look around. Wow, they got some cool stuff. Pretty cool. Somebody made that motorcycle for them. Pretty interesting. They got record storage across the street. Goo Goo Chocolate. We should go over there.
No.
Bell bottoms up. Cooking and drinking. And Big Machine Brewery and Distillery. Oh, look what we got here. Portable bar. All right. Woo! Well, I'll put it on the video, see. It says, bless your heart. Wave and say hello, bug. Woohoo! So we came across the street to Goo Goo Cluster. Let's go see what the chocolate place has. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Home of America's first candy bar. Oh, first combination candy bar. So Margaret and Isaac are over designing their own Goo Goo. You get it all set up over there, and it sends it to these guys over here, and they bring it out, and you pay for it. Okay, the guy's got his trays all set up. Now he reads the orders, fills them in, puts all the candy that they ordered from that machine over there. Look at that chocolate. Oh my goodness, caramel, chocolate, something else. Fantastic.
Here's your mini marshmallows.
Filling them all up.
Your peanut.
Little sprinkles. What else did you have in there, Aiden?
Get another caramel.
Yep, they're doing it right now.
Okay, now they're going to be doing their, I don't know. Just a second. I didn't see any Oreos. Oh.
Okay, she's getting ready to put the chocolate on them. Oh, that was awesome. You got it out, huh? That's beautiful. You're not going to open it yet, are you?
I am.
You are?
So you can see it. You're gonna try it?
There you go. Oh my goodness. Well done. Goo Goo Chocolate, special made for Aiden. Across the street over there's Ole Red's. I guess the kids went there partying last night.
And there's Bush's race car right there.
Home of the Heroes.
Bush.
Candy Kitchen down there. Luke's 32 Bridge Food and Drink. Man, I love, look at that old American National Bank building. That is beautiful. Okay, the building directly in front of us is the Whiskey Sky Bar, Whiskey River, Margaritaville Vacation Club. Whiskey River Saloon. There's a place over there for tours. Bootlegging. Swag Wagon, that sounds like fun. Nashville Wine and Spirits. Nashville Market. This is Mercantile, Market Street Mercantile. Look at the size of those cookies. Those things are like 9 inches. Okay, looks like we're going to Mike's Ice Cream and Coffee Bar. That's the first ice cream store I saw with an elevator in it. Enter here for ice cream and coffee. What'd you end up getting?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Good standby. What'd you go with, Aiden?
Chocolate ice cream like my usual order.
Very good. Very good. Okay, I ended up going with a single coffee and a single cup. So I'll tell you how it tastes. Give it a taste. Oh man, it's thick. Mmm. Very good. We're in Nashville Mercantile. What'd you find, Melissa?
Sweatshirt.
Nashville.
And for Sophia.
Oh, how cute. She'll love that. There's so much stuff in here. A whole rack of socks. Whole bunch of Jack Daniel's jalapeno sauce, barbecue sauce, all kinds of stuff. Rub. Well, the farther we get from downtown, we're heading back to the car, the public parking lot. But it does get quieter. Man, that downtown is unbelievably loud. So back to the car, and I think back to the Airbnb. Well, it's 6:15. We're heading to the Opry House. No big fancy camera allowed, so we're gonna have to film it on the cell phone. Now we just need to find out what building we're going to, and we'll be into the Grand Ole Opry. Okay, here we go. Grand Ole Opry. We're already lost, looking for row M, seat 1 and 2. Gonna be very little videoing here. This is at the Grand Ole Opry. We found our tickets, or found our seats, and because of the music, I won't be recording anything during the show itself.
Like they've played it their whole lives. I love it. So, well, congratulations on a great new album, by the way.
Thank you very much.
It's just phenomenal. The second song you played tonight is on that new record, but it had a life of its own before. So we are doing something really cool after the show. I teased it just a few minutes ago, but we will be in the Circle Room for a Circle Room session.
That's right.
And we'll do a little chat about the new record, but you will play some songs acoustic from this new album, and folks will get to ask some questions and take some photos. It's going to be really cool. Now, we are almost sold out, which is great, but there's a few more spots, and if you buy along this new record tonight in the Opry Shop, the first 40 folks to do so, that'll get you into 2, and the Circle Room is just a wonderful, wonderful place.
Well, intermission in about 20 minutes. I can't believe that I'm actually at the Grand Ole Opry and we saw the opening. That's